Ever wonder why you have to stretch your fingers just to type everyday symbols? Things like punctuation marks, brackets, or the @ sign. You're not alone. These aren't obscure characters. We use them hundreds of times a day. When asking a question, expressing excitement, writing an email, coding, or even entering a password, symbols are everywhere. Coders rely on braces, arrows, and dollar signs. Writers depend on punctuation, and every digital interaction leans on symbols, from mentions in emails to special characters and logins. Yet, we're still forced into awkward two-handed gymnastics just to reach them. And the same goes for everyday functions, those universal commands we all use across every app, like copy, paste, undo, and save. Why do we still need complicated shortcuts for something we use constantly? Wouldn't it make much more sense if they had their own dedicated keys once and for all? Keyboards have been around for decades, evolving through countless upgrades and redesigns. But here's the surprising part. Most of those changes have focused on looks and feel, not on improving what really matters, how we actually interact with our digital world. Today's keyboards are still descendants of typewriters, tools that were originally designed for writing alone, but the way we use keyboards now goes far beyond writing. They become our main bridge to the digital world, an essential part of everyday life, and yet we're still relying on designs that haven't truly evolved. It's time for a change, so we figured we'll QwertyMax it. QwertyMax is the world's first keyboard engineered with dedicated keys for all essential symbols and frequently used functions. At first, all the essential special characters, the ones normally hidden behind shift combinations like exclamation, @ pound, dollar, %, and the rest, have been given their own dedicated keys. You can now write an email, ask a question, code a function, or enter a password just like typing ABC. No more reaching for shift. Of course, muscle memory isn't something you want to mess with, so unlike previous proposed keyboard improvements, QwertyMax doesn't alter the traditional layout. Every standard key remains exactly where you expect it, while all the new keys are added outside the main typing area, carefully positioned to preserve the familiar feel. We also made sure that all shift and control combos are kept working as usual, so you can type exactly as you're used to while naturally transitioning into a new dedicated keys at your own pace. Next is what we call the command zone, a full suite of everyday functions built directly into the keyboard. Now you can copy, paste, undo, save, select, and much, much more, all with just one press. Each of these actions becomes quick, effortless, and universal across any computer or app. And since we all spend so much time online, we've added a browser navigation cluster as well. Keyboards were originally designed long before the internet era, yet today web browsing is part of nearly everything we do. So with QwertyMax, you can open your browser, search, refresh, go back or forward, and even control tabs, all directly from your keyboard without ever reaching for your mouse. The first QwertyMax will debut as an ultra slim premium edition featuring a precision milled aluminum chassis for long-lasting stability and low-profile silent scissor switches for the ultimate quiet typing experience. It's fully plug and play with no driver installation required, compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. It supports both wired and wireless operation through 2 Bluetooth profiles and 1 USB dongle, allowing you to connect up to 3 devices and switch between them instantly for effortless multitasking. And of course, it's fully programmable with custom key remapping through QMK VIA. QwertyMax is the keyboard that once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever typed without it. Back us today and secure QwertyMax at the lowest available price.